like it's going to stay mixed, guys. So mixed it stays. Surging now, real time, where risk's gone, which means that right now you should start looking for a purchase. S&P, obviously the channel's too low, nothing there. NASDAQ is inside of a neutral trade zone, nothing there. Of course, I've got the buy stop working on the Dow at the high of the day. Let's not forget that the Dow comes in with the macro quant ranking that is rather strong. It is a 4. It's the only standout on the website. 4. There it is. There's your slice of pie that's green. That's the Dow Jones. That's the leader coming into the session. The NASDAQ is obviously outpacing it, but now is a time when you want to start thinking about purchasing because we are in real time risk on. Treasuries are in the bear, and you could also consider a long Russell. Now the thing with the Russell, take a look at yellow, neutral. There's more strength in the Dow than there is on the Russell. And I don't need to have both of these, so I'm going to kill the Russell. I'm going to lighten my exposure. The channels have broken up too, so a couple reasons why I'm dropping the Russell. The channels are no longer combined. The bar has turned weak, and I don't need to have double exposure in the sector. Look at the S&P. Come on. You're killing me, S. You're killing me. Oh, and there goes the beans, guys. Thank you. Well, woulda, coulda, shoulda. Tried it earlier. Didn't get it. Major flush out, by the way. Peak to valley, that was about a $350 dip at 9:30. Blew out all stops. Finally broke out. Well, that's just how it goes. That's and look what it's doing now. To be expected, right? Just stupid, dumb luck. Bad luck. Once again, I want to point out the beans were one of the markets on the hot list. Upside potential, soybeans, Dow, dollar yen, dollar franc, dollar CAD. They got there. Fortunately, fleshed me out before they did. And will I put more risk on the beans next time I go in? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. All right, what have we not looked at? By the way, yes, I still am in the copper far left. It's come up and tested, still hanging with it. What have we not looked at today? Is there a market that I have not talked about today? Financials. We've looked at them all, the S&P, Dow, NASDAQ, Russell, Treasuries. We've looked and assessed all those markets today. We've had a struggle getting a true risk on, risk off to stay for more than 5 minutes. Hence the reason why, let me just confirm it. I don't think we've traded those today, right? Let me just confirm that. Crude, beans, gold, and copper. That's where I've been today. Beans, gold, crude, and copper. No stock trading today. Metals, I've traded the copper based on the anticipation of the fallout with the S&P. Silver, woulda, coulda, shoulda. That was the better one over gold. It was the stronger laggard as well as I look back. Ironically, the gold's the one that had the stronger quant rank. Silver had the stronger micro setup. Crude oil, we tried it, got stopped out. While in conflict, not surprised. Natural gas took out critical resistance, nothing to do there today. Soybeans, we just talked about it, you saw it. And currencies, some tremendous moves in the pound in the London session. The euro as well, taking out the top. Never did study the dollar CAD. We did look at the franc. I don't think we had a setup there. I talked about a possible zone 2 on the Aussie dollar. And let's just put those two up here. Here's the Aussie and the dollar CAD. Now at this time of the day, guys, I'm not really all that excited about doing anything with the currencies. And we never did tackle the zone 2 on the Aussie dollar. And as far as the dollar CAD goes, well, it looks like you had a nice London session trade there. Nothing in the States. London session, buying the dollar CAD. You had a breakout right about, well, right after tea time, 205, right up to the top, taking out all levels, all targets. That's when you stop looking for new trades until it comes back to the middle, which it did. And this is where you'd be looking to short, which it never did break down and give you a short, and it never broke back up to give you a long. It's come close. So in the last 10.5 hours of trading, one trade. One trade in the last 10.5 hours of trading. That's it.